Hey everyone, thank you for joining us again today. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on this Range Rover Velar P380 HSE. Hey guys, let's do a quick walk around on the Range Rover Velar. 22-inch factory wheels, black, with matching Continental tires with 85 to 90% tread life on average. It's got the Fuji white exterior with ebony black leather interior. It's got the black roof and black mirrors. As you can see, when you unlock the vehicle, door locks pop and the mirrors fold out automatically. It's got those beautiful LED headlights. The hood is in great shape. No dings or scratches. The passenger side is also beautiful. This truck has 47,000 miles on it, guys, and it honestly looks more like 10,000. As you can see, the rear hatch is in beautiful shape. There is 0 scratches or dings on it or on the bumper. 4-power rear hatch, as you can see. It's got the all-weather floor mats, shade for the rear, all-weather cargo mat. Passenger side is also no scratches, dings, dents, nothing. But beautiful paint all the way down. The panoramic glass roof up here. Very little paint. What there is flawless. That rear spoiler and rear wiper for the back. Let's take a look at the interior. The interior on this Range Rover, as you can see, it has MERIDIAN surround sound. This has a package which they call full extended leather upgrade, which every bit of the interior is full leather. Has power extensions for the seats, lumbar supports. The front seats are massaging, heating and cooling. And as you can see, there are no frayed seams. There's no holes or rips. Passenger side is in the same shape all the way around. There's nothing there that you could see any wear of any kind. The center console is in the same condition. Looking at the back seat is also in wonderful condition. It was well taken care of. All the seams and stitches. There's no stains. Those are the rare climate controls. This has a climate package, which gives you climate control in the rear and in the front. Let's do a startup. All right, we're gonna do a startup on the Range Rover Velar. As you can see, you have a multi-function steering wheel that is heated. It also has paddle shifters. This vehicle comes equipped with lane departure, intelligent cruise control, blind spot monitors, heads-up display, a full digital dash, which the odometer shows 47,456 miles. The dashboard itself is in great shape. It's got 2 integrated full-size touchscreens here. One is got your navigation up here. The other has all the controls for the vehicle, including your climate controls right here. Turn that on. There's ice cold. Your seat button there, which I mentioned earlier. These seats are heated and cooled, which can be controlled here, as you can see. And they're massaging, which when you turn them on, this adjusts the intensity of the massage. It feels pretty good, to be honest. Your vehicle controls are here, which off-road, your eco, all these controls are by our touchscreen as well. Your sport controls, they call it dynamic for Range Rover. Down here, your more analog controls, just to turn on your hill assist, turn off your traction control, and to get your max AC going. This is your turn dial for gear selector. It pops up and down depending on if the car is running or not. Like I said before, this car is in amazing shape for the year and the miles. Looking for a Range Rover, this is a must-see. Here's the controls for your panoramic roof and your panoramic roof shade. This is a fully automatic rearview mirror with your HomeLink controls. SOS button is here. As you can see, the sun shade goes all the way back. It's the entire roof, guys. It's a beautiful truck. Gotta come and check it out.